Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to skip Meta verified waitlist. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So once you open your Instagram, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply tap on the profile icon on the bottom right hand side of the corner and go in the hamburger like icon. There you can find an option called account settings. Simply scroll down below and tap on show that your profile is verified. So once you do this, you need to now simply pay $0.39 for your first month and join the waitlist. However, if you want to skip this waitlist, then all you need to do is simply in the search bar type in request verification. So once you're in the request verification section, you need to confirm your authenticity. So if you are a known figure or known personality on Instagram or any other social media platform, you will simply be able to get your verification really quick and skip the meta verification process. So by doing this, you can skip the meta verification stage. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.